All right, today we're gonna put on a leather steering wheel cover on this thing. I'm gonna make it a little bit thicker so that I have something to hold on to. And then I'm just gonna use some like felt.
What's that guy doing? Out in the sun, he's sweating a lot. I'm wrapping the wheel on the Impala.
I'm gonna trim this just slightly. Just gonna cut off about
Cut it off.
about that much. See if I can get this right around here to even up. Pretty good right there. So you see how that's
what?
That's a kind of a perfect match.
That's a
right
perfect
there.
match.
So I'm gonna cut this.
Cutting away. Here we go. We're cutting it. Oh yeah. It's cutting the felt off the felt. And it's going around the wheel. Oh yeah. I'm cutting the felt. It's going round the wheel. Oh, it is.
Okay, perfect.
Perfect.
So I think what I'll do is I'll just leave this here and I will just tape this around Scotch tape.
Tape this around with Scotch tape. Man, you're so smart. What made you think of using Scotch tape? Isn't that ugly though? It is. Really ugly. But look, you know what?
Okay, there it is.
There it is.
So now, let's take our leather wrap
Take that leather wrap. Just take it.
and get the bottom lined up here.
Get it lined up. Oh, stretch it. And put it on. Hey. That's good. There we go. That's wonderful. Is that real leather? Where'd you get that? eBay or Amazon?
All right, now I'm just gonna stitch it up according to the directions. All right here. Now I'm not gonna take you through this whole stitch deal. You can look that up online.
Thank
There's
God.
3 or 4 different stitches you can do. I'm just doing a pretty basic under and over type of stitch
That'll look good.
because really it's gonna look nice
Maybe not.
regardless. I think I'm really liking how thick it is.
Hey, I think you should do the baseball
Just
stitch.
got to make sure you keep it pretty tight, you know, and
Get it tight. Don't let it loose.
make sure you keep turning it. Make sure you got your seam in the middle. You don't want to get to the end and then not
What? Say it, John.
get to the end and then not have it all straight. So just make sure you keep it tight so this thing doesn't move.
How many times are you going to tell me to keep it tight? You only have to tell me once.
People just want to grab those rubber, steering wheel things and put them on their cars, and those things are not safe.
Don't do
You
it.
can those things spin around and you get in an accident. I want to make sure I can hold onto the steering wheel.
You should too.
So,
Gotta hold the steering wheel. Man, I'm fast. Look at this. Hey, you sure are sweating a lot. You must be moving it extremely fast. Look at that. No, why would you want to use one of those rubber wheels? If you can do it this fast, hey, no problem. Just do it like this. Oh, I think I gotta go to the bathroom. I'll be right back. I forgot to turn the camera on, but here's the end product. It looks okay. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you later.